For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe if you like my videos, and also share this video, because in today's video I'm going to share a very important and crucial thing that we generally miss out. So let's get started with the video. While taking care of ourselves, we just checklist each and everything, maybe it our dress, shoes, bags, hair, skin, makeup, each and everything, including our nails, everything. But what we generally forget is taking care of our eyebrows. I'm sure that many of us must be having this issue that we don't have a lot of hair growth in our eyebrows, and then we just don't get the proper shape or the desired shape that we wish to get. So in today's video I'm going to tell you a very simple, easy, quick thing that you can do to grow your eyebrows. So for this, the only important thing that we need are oil. So just grab all the oils that is available in your home. I'll be mixing all natural oils, that is mustard oil, coconut oil, olive oil and castor oil. If you are able to find any other natural good oil that is good for our hairs, make sure that you add it as well. I was just having 4 of these oils, so we just need to activate this oil. So for this we just need to give a very quick little bit of boil or just lukewarm the oil, so that everything gets activated and it will work more efficiently. For applying it, it will just get a bit messy if we use our fingers to apply it, so don't worry about it. I'm having a solution for this. So I'll be using an old mascara bottle for this. I have just rinsed it off very nicely, thoroughly just wash everything out, and then using a dropper I'm just filling the bottle with the oil, and it is ready. You just need to dip it out and apply it, and in this way, along with applying the oil on your eyebrows, you can also apply it on your eyelashes. So in that way it will also help to grow your eyelashes as well. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope that you like it. If you like it, then hit that like button below, and also share this video among all your friends, and most importantly, who need this. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. That's it for today. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye. For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.